Hello everyone, today I will show you how to increase multiple row height atoms in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet and drag your mouse, select your multiple rows you want to increase and put your mouse cursor the row line and double arrow showing see this and drag and see this row height increase. And second way, select table format option. Firstly, you have to select your raw cell. Now go table option and go down. Here you will find this raw height option and simply increase and see this. Multiple row already increasing size. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.